Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Full disclaimer, you will be hearing kids running around in the background, screaming, laughing, being kids. I have a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old, so that's them. So without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so for this video, I received some products from Gaia Herbs, so I figured why not just do a video of me unboxing this box. This is the box they sent me. So I figured, okay, I'll just do a video on it. And if they have a link or like a code or something, I will put it in this video or I will put it in the description. I also will post about this in my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should go follow me on Instagram at CHRYSY20. Alright guys, so they sent me the Black Elderberry Wellness Boost Bundle. If you guys don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always talking about elderberry. Elderberry is like the thing that I make my kids take all the time, and I take, and I even make my husband take. It's so good for you. It helps boost your immune system, especially now with this crazy La Rona going around. Like I was saying, with the crazy La Rona going on, you know, taking care of your immune system, your health, very, very important. So let's see all the goodies they sent me. Like I signed up for it and I was just like, yeah, send me the bundle, but I didn't really like look at what the bundle entailed. I just saw elderberry. They had 5 different options, and I picked elderberry, and I was like, okay, give me that. I want that. So there's a little pamphlet talking about it. It's a black elderberry. I don't know if I've tried black elderberry. Is it different than regular elderberry? You should really know these things, right? So they sent me gummies, syrups, liquids, and capsules. So that's what they have for their... I wonder if they sent me all of that. I wonder. So they did, or probably one of each category. Probably. The yummy gummies. So right there, I see some gummies. I see a few things in here. This is what I see. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm like going through the kitchen to make sure that I don't throw something out. Alright, so cool. They sent me these things. So let's see. The first thing is an everyday elderberry immune boost gummies. So it has 45 vegan gummies, which is another reason why I signed up. I signed up for them to send me stuff because it's vegan. I only use plant-based products when it comes to a lot of my wellness products. Actually, majority of my wellness products are all plant-based, and I've been trying to not go the vegan route. My husband was vegan for like a month, so I kind of like vegan food, but we try to like incorporate. But I've always been like organic everything. I'm like, my dad makes fun of me. He calls me the organic lady because my cleaning products are organic. My detergent used to be organic, but then it got pricey, so I just been using Arm & Hammer. I know, but like baking soda. But okay, so they sent me this. It's for every day. It says adults chew 2 gummies daily for additional support. Chew 2 gummies 2 times daily. That's cool. Then they sent me the Black Elderberry Extra Strength Immune Support Gummies. Oh, interesting. Extra strength? Is that why, like, is that what black elderberries do, extra strength? But okay, this is what it looks like. And that's me chatting about it. Did I show you what the other one looked like? Alright. Then they sent to me the Immune Support Black Elderberry Capsules. Ooh, let's open that up. Let's see. This is what the bottle looks like. Everything is vegan here with natural ingredients. This has acai gum and vegan capsules. 30 of them. Interesting. I've never had like pill form. Guys, I'm so intrigued. Like, so intrigued. Then the last 2 are syrups. One is the traditionally for your supporting immune system, delicious daily tonic your kids will love. Okay, so they sent me a Gaia Kids, which is perfect because I was running low on my elderberry syrup for them. And this one, can you put it directly in the mouth. Yes, shake well. And use 1 to 3.5 teaspoons. Oh no, use 1 teaspoon. Okay. So that's that. My kids love elderberry. Every day they're like, Mommy, is it elderberry time? I'm like, yeah. I forget sometimes. And then of course the elderberry. What's elderberry? And of course the black elderberry syrup. For it says Gaia Herb delivers unprecedented traceability by screening every product and sharing the results online. See for yourself and learn more about your herb by entering your unique code below at meetyourherbs.com. Oh. So it is vegan, gluten-free, and certified organic. That is cool. I'm not going to give you my code because it's my code. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. But, so yeah, this is really interesting. And I'm really excited to try all of these. And I love me elderberry. And if you like elderberry, I'll definitely check them out. Like I said, link down their website. And if they do give me a code, because I don't remember if it was like a code or just to try out their products, I will put it down in the description. And of course, you can follow me on my Instagram, which is on the description. If you want to contact me, have any questions, or want to collaborate, I'll put my email down below also in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, whichever time you're watching. And please, 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 please stay safe out there, people. Stay safe. Get yourself some elderberry. Get yourself some immune support boost. And yeah, have a wonderful day. All right, bye now.